Now the House has elected a new speaker. I can call and congratulate him. I'm ready to work with him or any Republican Congress to make progress on the American.
Boy, if that isn't the pot calling the kettle black.
All right, revolution. Take care.
Run up for the American people.
Run up for the American.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Starting last week, if Big Pharma raises prices faster than inflation, they're going to face big penalties.
What in the hell are you talking about?
Starting last week, Americans, you can get tax credits.
Americans, you can get tax credits.
Americans, you can get tax credits.
What in the hell are you talking about?
And the lawyers arranged for the Department of Justice to take possession of the document. So we're going to see all this.
It's easy for you to say.
You gotta stop doing that, okay? It is weird.
I'm confident. Thank you very much.
What the hell is the world coming to?
It's a great question.